Conversation questions. Which animal is the king of the forest?
Lion.
Which is the biggest land animal?
Elephant.
Which is the national animal?
Tiger.
Which is the tallest animal?
Giraffe.
Which animal gives us milk?
Cow.
Which animal gives us wool?
Sheep.
Which animal is called the ship of the desert?
Camel.
Name the bird that can dance.
Peacock.
Name the bird that can talk.
Parrot.
Which insects makes web?
Spider.
Which insects makes honey?
Honeybee.
Which is a beautiful insect?
Butterfly.
Which insect causes malaria?
Mosquito.
Name two flowers that are in yellow color.
Marigold. Sunflower.
Name two flowers that are in white color.
Lily. Jasmine.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which flower turns towards the sun?
Sunflower.
Which is the king of the fruits?
Mango.
Which vegetable tastes bitter?
Bitter gourd.
Which vegetable tastes hot?
Chili.
Which insects makes web?
Spider.
How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Good.